Yeah, people, blessed good morning. Yeah, man. Give thanks to another beautiful day, said we know. Because don't know life is the greatest thing, people. See, right now, me not chill like when me see I go on in a fraternity. Yeah, man, we are lose too much young legend. Too much legend pan our whole we are lose. When me see I go on from what there, man, it's not a good look, me I tell you. Me not like how the thing I go. It's like, why the thing rough, cause me I tell you, I bet I all the way I pray, people, and for a man out there do the right thing and in life go cut short, and remember, we have a family to maintain and responsible for, We as man, a whole heap of responsibility we have, and we have to maintain them responsibility there, And if you go see a man life just cut short so and gone left him family, it rough. Me I tell you. Yeah man, me just want to salute to all the fallen soldiers them. Cause me I tell you, pretty out here, people. It rough. Me I tell you. And you have to be firm in this to cause people, me I tell you, the thing set that way you. Yeah man, condolences to Chadric, cause me I tell you. Far we are come from in a youth. Far we are come from, brother, and if you go see, if you go hear what go on, brother, no, me can't believe you. Brother, amount of youth and me see a drop from what day a youth. The thing just fucked up youth. Yeah man. The thing, people, me just I say guide and stay with chucker out there as well, because me I tell you, it's a battlefield settings out there, Me I tell you, if you get up every day and put in the work and dip on the road, and an easy task, people. Me I tell you that, because you have to balance. You have to balance, people. A man feel like saying get up and just go up on the road, so I hit that. You have to balance, because me I tell you, when you're out there, you buck up on all kind of things. Yeah, man. I tell you, hey, me not like what I want in a fraternity at all, people. Me not like it. We are lose too much legend. Too much legend, man. Boy, me I tell you.